In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete all messages on Facebook Messenger at once. Now, I know this is something many of us have wished for, especially if your Messenger app is cluttered with old conversations or you simply want a fresh start. While Facebook hasn't made this process as straightforward as we'd like, I'm here to guide you through the steps to manage and delete your messages efficiently. First, let's make sure you're logged into your Facebook account. Open your web browser and head over to Facebook's homepage. It's important to be logged in because all the settings we'll be changing are tied to your account settings. Once you've logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of your Facebook page. You'll see your profile photo there. Give it a click. This action will open a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, the next step is to select Settings and Privacy. It's nestled among other useful options aimed at helping you manage your Facebook experience. After you click on Settings and Privacy, you will see another drop-down. Look for the option simply labeled Settings and click on it. Now here's the important part to remember. Facebook hasn't provided a direct button to delete all your messages in one single click. I know that's not ideal, but don't worry, there is a workaround. What you'll need to do is access your Messenger and manually delete each conversation one by one. Although this might sound tedious, it's currently the only way to clear your entire message history. To do this, go back to your main Facebook page and click on the Messenger icon in the top menu. Here, you'll see a list of all your conversations. When you hover over each conversation, you'll notice a small three-dot icon appear on the far right. Click on that icon, and a small menu will pop up with the option to delete. Clicking delete will remove that particular conversation from your Messenger. Unfortunately, this is the process you'll need to repeat for each conversation. It might take some time depending on how many messages you have, but it's the most effective way to ensure your Messenger is cleared out. I hope this helps you manage your Facebook Messenger messages more effectively. It's always good to keep your digital space organized, and though it requires a bit of patience, you're now equipped to tidy up your message history. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials.